Alright folks, here we go. Unit 8, Session 4. This video is about the assignment details. We're going to simply go through them one by one. First of all, welcome to the session. Please read these details closely. These things are absolutely crucial. Please take a look at the rubric. So attached to this page right here, this is the rubric that's going to be used to grade your final review paper. This rubric is also attached to the final draft page. Please take a look at that, and in fact there's going to be another video about it as well. The final project again must be a different topic than the timed review practice that you did a couple of weeks ago. And finally, please keep in mind this stuff, guys. This is very important. Your review needs to include at least 3 quotes and or paraphrases with citations from the original text that you review. So that's the movie, book, game, etc. The works cited must be present, so probably you're going to be citing the movie or the book or whatever it is. And then if you are reviewing let's say a food dish or restaurant or something else that doesn't include an actual text, so it doesn't include a script or words or something, what you need to do is use quotes from another review of the topic that you are writing about. So let's say you are doing a review on, I'm going to say Bojo's Pizza, because I love Bojo's. So you're writing a review of Bojo's, which is absolutely okay. You need to find another review that's also been written about Bojo's Pizza and include quotes from that review so that your writing kind of becomes part of the conversation that's out there about that topic. If I can help you with any of this stuff, please let me know. And whatever it is that you're quoting from, whether it's the original text or from another review, that needs to be cited in your works cited. Alright, next slide. Learning from your previous project. You've seen this before. Basically, guys, what you need to do is go back to the last paper that you wrote, in this case the theme essay, and check out the feedback that I gave you on that paper. And these questions really get to the heart of how are you going to apply that feedback that I gave you. And that feedback should either be in Turnitin.com or in Schoology. So please do that. Answer these questions. Do it early so that you can really learn from it. All right, composing your draft. Again, we've got some of the details here that I already talked about. Here's the rubric. We'll look at that in the other video. Composing the draft is pretty straightforward, and then what you need to do is submit your rough draft to the discussion board. Guys, a rough draft is a rough draft, okay? It's just a draft. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about all the details. Don't worry about polishing it off. Just submit a draft and then get some feedback on it. You also need to provide feedback on at least 3 of your peers' drafts in the form of 3 positives and 1 constructive criticism. Guys, take note, again, this draft and the discussion around it is due on Friday the 17th. In other words, you've got to do it quickly here so that you have time to put in the edits for your final paper. Alright, next slide, MLA formatting and works cited. You've seen this before. Guys, there are still mistakes being made. Please look at these things. Here's a video about MLA formatting, MLA citations, formatting a works cited. We got links to EasyBib and some other formatting tools up here. Got a works cited examples. We've got a whole example MLA paper and a number of other resources as well. I'm telling you, please use those and take your time with them. Turnitin.com information, as always. The final draft needs to go to Turnitin.com as well. And here we are. This is the final submission page. Submit your paper here and at Turnitin.com. Guys, as you're going through this process, please let me know how I can help. And that doesn't mean like Tuesday night at 11:50 when it's due in 10 minutes. Let me know early on so that I can help you. Tuesday night at 11:50, I'm going to be asleep. Let's see. Again, here's the rubric and 2 more example reviews that you can take a look at as you are working. All right, folks, that's the plan for the week. As always, guys, please, please, please let me know how I can help. Reach out to me early and often.